Now we go to the next process of removing the RAM. Yes. Replacing the RAMs, which are the memory we have, in their respective slots. Make sure that the RAM aligns to the slots until it produces a sound to prove that it is well fixed. We also do the same to the second RAM, and as you can see, it is a very simple task. We apply pressure so that it fits very well into its slot.